strangled. What happened? Something happened. I completely miss it. I go over Destiny page, I come over your page, and nobody not talk and talk the truth what really happened. What happened? What took place? You have to talk to your followers, them. You understand? You have to reason with we talk to it.
Kind of look like a wheel.
I know I say I look a wheel. I don't have a wheel right now. Right now, I look a wheel myself. But I go say something. But I want to know, me and the followers, them, your followers, them, your liars, followers, them, we want to know what took place. You're not say nothing to it. So we can't really go defend you, you know. We can't defend you no way because you not say nothing to it. We miss out on whatever. Nobody no know nothing.
Just want it die down, that's why I'm not talk about it. Because it has stressed me, you get what I mean?
Of course, I got stress. But we are go through it with you right now. Me stress because you not talk, nobody not talk. We need to know, we need to defend you, we need to go over the page them where talk about you and have something to say. We can't say nothing, nobody can defend you.
Alright. Me never really in a no relationship with nobody, or me never dare look nobody, or nobody never dare look me. We just like having a normal conversation, is it? And that was like 4 years back. 4 years back, if you say. Them time the Destiny never dare fish, you get what I mean?
What do you mean Destiny wasn't a fish? I think Destiny was I go up on Destiny page one long time. I'm sure Destiny say a long time. You understand fear so what go on?
No, Destiny they get beat up a Spanish town.
Yeah, that's the conversation where Destiny did have the long time.
Yeah, but me never know. Remember say me new to every social media platform, right?
Okay.
So me did add you see the person and anyway me go up in a person live and say what the
Don't pay them no mind, man.
G me call the person. And the person they have a conversation. But it never was. That's why him can't come out and say, him can't show a text when me I look him. Him can't show a picture when me send him. Him can't do nothing. So what him I do I just clout him actually I do it for. Me no know.
Okay, so why all of a sudden, because remember them people them have them name and have them reputation, so why all of a sudden them gonna want to come to you when there's so much other things are going on, other people in the world, them gonna want clothes from you?
It happened 4 years back.
So why would I really stir up this? Something must stir up something.
That are the thing, me no know. I had my wife and start explaining to her. And she start laba for more. You know how women say, oh, can't believe it, bro. You get what me and she go. Like me literally I say, why you like listen to that person?
People want to the top of the live and give us some gifts over here, so when I get one for information on the top of the tour we live. Yeah, go ahead, darling.
That's why I not talk, I never get no wheel or nothing. I not talk till me get a wheel.
Well, them start saying no, because them want information right now. Me I go bad them up for you. So talk. They might do something, man. Just give them some time. They might do them thing.
If I say one wheel, me talk everything, man. Me I look a wheel.
You know what? Wheel is not everything. Your friend them want to defend you. Talk so we can defend you. That's the thing that me I try to tell us. Talk so we can defend you. In a way you just said, me no see nothing wrong. But then again, there's 3 sides to a story. For your side, for them side, and the truth.
Alright. So, when me and Destiny did talk upon the life too, the life, it wasn't an after-ear conversation. And when now, me look for my phone now, when me look, Markie, you know Markie?
Yeah.
Him send me, him say, up my G, so me say, up back. Because remember say, him a talk to me as a person. And me no know him sexuality, because me is a man, when me look on him picture, him dressed like a man. In him tuxedo and him thing, they may get what me.
Well, for me, me know so there's different type of man, Some man in touch that with them feminine side, meaning them is not gay, but them like to maintain themselves, like them fingernail, them this and that. But for me, when you look at Market, the way Market express himself, the way him talk, me not feel like say,
No, because he's a
him
foreigner.
is gonna be a person where you're not gonna get. You're supposed to get it straight away that him is gay. You understand? Kind of something him hide. You understand? Him do
Yeah,
it in
yeah.
him expression, the way him dress too. You understand? I only Batman. Well, I don't really want to use the word there. I apologize for that. But I only guys will do them thing, he or she, whatever I want refer to himself as or herself as.
Destiny, me tell you what I'm Destiny. Destiny vex say him never get none of her money.
You know what? I feel like, to be honest, you see, Destiny, I kind of like Destiny. Destiny is very straightforward,
No, me I
Very
said
straight.
Destiny vex say him never get none of her money. And that I want.
But Destiny a hustler. So she can
No,
get money anywhere she want
no,
get money from. She hustle her thing. And
no,
people
I say him.
genuinely like Destiny. I come over Destiny page. Me straight now. I go over Destiny page one heap of time. And people genuinely like Destiny and come. And you know what? Destiny kind of have a reasoning ability. So sometimes our head will take her, yes. But Destiny not really judge nobody. She sit down and she listen to everybody. Just as you come, I saw Destiny take you. You understand? She not
No,
really
but
rude or disrespectful. She's very straightforward.
like me say, me's not a fish, you see, cause I don't like them a show no text where me a edge them on and me a tell them baby or me a show them my body or me show them no. You get what I mean? Them not have none of them evidence there. So you can't take in a man money or that a evidence to say a man a fish.
Okay, so all right, which part you take the money from? Cause like sometime, like if you go
Western
somewhere, go
Union.
meet somebody, them can all
No, him
video
can't
ya,
do.
take picture with you, you not even know. Did you go to a hotel? Did you go to a house? Where did you go?
Me gone. Me gone. Me can't bother with the answer.
Okay, good night.
Yeah. Can't manage it. Somebody who can't send a wheel there. One wheel. Me a look off the live them with team. Is a wheel me a look. One wheel more guys. Me there want a wheel there guys. One wheel. Please and thanks. Progress, big up yourself.
Mulande. Hello? You hear me?
Hello?
Alright, yes, yeah, say a clout the man a look. Yeah, see a clout the man a look. Oh, you feel say man a look clout and a you come out come call him name. Remember, so we never see this man come out come call the name. You come out come call the man name first.
I
Yes.
never listen
Go
to
ahead.
what me say. Destiny have clout already. You
No,
see?
we not talk about Destiny. We are talking about Markie. You say him a look clout.
Marky have clout already.
No, oh, okay. You come out come say the man a look
I never come
close.
out come say.
Just
Destiny
now.
asked my wife. My wife is drunk and deaf on the life. And Destiny asked my wife couple things. And
All right, but all right, hold on there. A while ago you say, all right, yes, you come out and say send the money, and the man takes you. Me over Destiny Live when the man show the proof, going on somewhere. When you text the man, if you use a straight man, when they text,
I never listen to it. Lady, you irritate me.
because you can't take it truth.
Me first never text Markie. I first never text Markie. I never text Markie. Me never sit down and text Markie, bro. Oh, me first text Markie. Oh, me first I text Markie when a Markie first text me. I'm reply to him. Remember say Markie a big celebrity, you know, bro. So how me I go just get up and text him and so. Eh? Remember Markie a big celebrity. How me that him text me, bro.
You know.
Tell me.
You know, bro.
No, me don't know. Me not affiliate myself with fish.
So all you know sir, is a fish name that got called. Wait. Something wrong. What? All you know say I want fish name me did I got called. Huh?
Because I them me see you mingle around.
Oh, me mingle around fish.
Yeah, I them me see you mingle around. So if
So you see me a verse.
bird of a feather flap the same way, you know.
Okay.
So if you mingle around them, that means to say you're part of them. You get what I mean, so?
1 second.
Yeah.
One second. Who name Markie?
Well, good day.
Who name Markie?
One really good.
Oh, I'm really youth.
Yeah, man. You real.
So him straight.
Hmm?
Him straight.
At the time, in the street, though.
So you lean him up or him lean up you?
No, man, he never. Me don't know what the social media when come and go lead him up. But it was a good youth, bro. For good school.
So would you give Markie a baby or you would make him give you a baby? Which one?
Yeah, Markie, like not dealing.
Oh, Markie buy your car.
And you sound vexed like you want him buy you one too.
No. The reason why me want to know because you really are sit down comfortable upon your horse or your mouth you use.
No, listen what I say. You can take money from a fish. That doesn't mean you're a fish.
So you take money from him?
If Destiny give me money, me don't take it anybody back him man. But me not go
So
take
if
it.
Markie give money already?
Yeah, man, money. Like me say. So if Destiny give you money, you not take it.
Me look like you? You see me brown and you black?
No, me I say if you're flock with
No, nothing can come in. So me ask you a question. You know, so when a woman asks a man for money, and a man say, you want money, come for the body. So that means when Markie get money, man say, come for the body.
No, man, not like that.
Alright, so which one you rather? You rather him fuck you or you fuck him?
No boy can't touch me. No boy.
Or you rather touch him?
No boy can't touch me, none at all. Bro.
So how much money in give you?
5 grand.
Jamaican? US?
5 grand pound.
Pound?
Yeah, man, 5 grand.
But your body and your mouth dear, man.
No, sir. No, like that.
So your body and mouth dear?
No man can't touch my bottom of my mouth, bro, me I tell you.
No, sir, man. You're expensive, boy. You're expensive, chat. You said, Marky video and picture your ear?
Me?
Huh?
No time, bro.
So, I know, bro, but may I say that, why you choose that road then?
What? So
Why you choose that?
if you choose the road, then why anybody else can't choose it?
Me choose the road?
Yeah, we see you choose the road several times.
Several times?
Yeah.
And you choose the 8th time. Boy, you hotter than me. And you choose the 8th time. Me choose the 7th time, you choose the 8th time. Me know you there, so sit down right now and your horse a burn you. And you must have horse plug in your horse. And me don't know how your horse so dear. How your horse your mouth in one. What you do, my youth? What you do to yourself? Me see you on live last night. I act like a junk and a ball and a chat. I say one woman mash up your life. And then a woman mash up your life, you know, and man mash up your life. So you feel comfortable?
Me?
Yeah, if you feel. No, what up? You're comfortable right now, sitting down?
Me do the boy never play up on me like that. So me good.
So why you rock so? Why you rock so like you rock out the pain? You come so a while ago like you rock out the pain.
Like me literally said that no man no touch me dad and me sure.
No, but you come so. Like you rock out the pain a while ago. Why you go that road, the man you? Why you not walk around and tell the woman them say you want them front for name and then sit there, bro? Me and body bad. Why you not do that, dog? Instead of go that way, the man you. Make sure your wife not sit down on that chair, because that the chair the shit up, you know. Legend, body bad. Me and body bad. What you do to yourself, Deverell? Deverell, remember you was the mastermind of all what's happening, you know. You know that? You know, sir, you was the mastermind of everything where did that happen. You know that? So why you choose a road now?
Bro, me tell you say me no man.
I am not your bro. Remember when you're the admin of the group, you never trust me. You never want admin of the group.
Listen to what me I say now. No man never touch me dog and I can see it from my life, dog.
No. So all of them. Oh, so a video them I see with Markie and you him attack.
But just, bro, people in their feelings that they never get no money, dog.
What kind of car? You car where you sit down pan? Why all the car you shit up? And you have a right to sit down pan the car because your body you use and get it. So that's why you sit down pan it.
No man. Are you remote news and get it?
My mouth?
Yeah man.
For me mouth?
Yeah, they know your remote man.
Bro, my mouth go pan pum pum, bro. Pum pum. Me have two different speeches. My mouth go pan front, not hood.
You're remote news and get it, man.
Why me say you so good better than all the girl them to blood clot. I'm to Cassia Park.
Who?
Cassia Park.
Who names son?
Oh. Boy, you can't keep in contact with them and them. Thank you, sis. That's
No
so much.
boy can't, bro. No boy can't say them rev me out when they said that. No boy. Make them show you a picture or whatsoever. When me send them, then they can talk. They can say what they want.
Oh, so you send them it?
No, me never send no man no picture of me yet, bro. My team, come on, them will win this thing.
You can't win no match, man, youth.
4
That's
rows
it.
for my team. 4 rows for my
Markie
team.
sure. Markie cock him up.
4 rows. 4 rows.
Oh, you send them in a one view. Everybody send a rose.
4 rows.
Chat. Everybody send a rose, chat.
3 more than my team. 3 more.
Jesus. Me know a one view him send. Because I regular, I send one view to the girl them.
Double my team. Use it up.